Good morning, dear student. Today, I am going to explain you about the agriculture regions of India. An agriculture region is defined as an area having homogeneity in relief, soil type, climatic conditions, farming practices, crops produced and crop association. India is a vast country and is endowed with diverse geographical conditions which are bound to bring in regional variation in agriculture. Several scholars have attempted to delineate the agriculture regions of India. Prominent among them are E. Simpkins, D. Thomer, M. S. Randhawa, L. D. Stam, Chain Hang Sen, O. H. K. Spade and A. T. A. Lanmon, Ramchandran, F. Siddiqui, O. Slampa, Miss P. Sen Gupta, R. L. Singh and Jasveer Singh extra. The scheme suggested by the Indian Council for Agriculture Research is simple and comprehensive. It is based on the predominance of crops and crop association. Accordingly, India can be divided into following agriculture regions. First, rice, jute, tea region. This vast region includes lowland, valleys and river deltas in the states of Assam, Arunachal Pradesh, Tripura, Meghalaya, West Bengal, Orissa, northern and eastern Bihar, parts of Jharkhand and Chhattisgarh and Tarai region of Uttar Pradesh. The rainfall varies from 180 to 250 centimeter. Rice is the predominant crop due to fertile alluvial soils, abundant rainfall and high summer temperature. Jute is mainly grown in the Hooghly Basin of West Bengal, but some areas have been brought under jute cultivation in Assam, Meghalaya, Tripura, Orissa and Tarai region of Uttar Pradesh. Tea is mainly grown in Assam, Darjeeling and Jalpaiguri areas of West Bengal and Tripura. Sugarcane and tobacco are grown in Bihar. Coconut is grown in coastal areas. Mango, pineapple, betel leaves, bananas, jackfruits and oranges are the main fruit crops. Second, wheat and sugarcane region. This region comprises Bihar, Uttar Pradesh, Punjab, Haryana, Western Madhya Pradesh and northeastern Rajasthan. Most of the areas have rich fertile alluvial soil with some parts having black and red soil. Rainfall is moderate, large part of which is caused by southwest monsoon in summer. Some rainfall is caused by western disturbances in winter. Irrigation is a vital input in drier areas. As its name indicates, this region is dominated by wheat and sugarcane cultivation. The main wheat belt of India extends over Punjab, Haryana, Ganga Yamuna Doab of Uttar Pradesh and northeastern Rajasthan. Sugarcane is mainly grown in Uttar Pradesh and continuous part of Bihar. Rice, pulses and maize are the other important crops of the region. Third, it comes cotton region. It spreads on the Regur or black cotton soil area of the Deccan Plateau, where the rainfall varies from 75 to 100 centimeter. Obviously, cotton is the main crop, but jowar, bajra, gram, sugarcane, wheat extra are also grown in the region. Fourth, maize and coarse crop region. Western Rajasthan and northern Gujarat are included in this region. The rainfall is scarcity and is normally below 50 centimeter. Agriculture is possible only with the help of irrigation. Maize is mainly grown in the Mewar Plateau, where wheat and ragi are also produced. In the southern part, rice, cotton and sugarcane are grown. Bajra and pulses are grown throughout the region. Fifth, it comes millets and oilseed region. This region includes areas of poor soil and broken topography in Karnataka Plateau, part of Tamil Nadu, southern Andhra Pradesh and eastern Kerala. The rainfall varies from 75 to 125 centimeter. The millets include bajra, ragi and jowar, while the oilseed grown are groundnut and castor. Pulses are also grown in the region. Mangoes and bananas are important fruit crops of the region. And sixth, fruit and vegetable region. This region extends from Kashmir Valley in the west to Assam in the east. The rainfall varies from 60 cm in the west to 200 cm in the east. Apple, peach, cherries, plum, apricot are grown in the west, while oranges are important in the east. Besides rice, maize, ragi, potatoes, chilies and vegetables are also grown in the region. This is the map of India, which is showing the various agriculture regions of India. This is all for today, dear students. Take care and bye.